Been a great show so far here at IFE 2025. It's a really good show for us. A lot of good foot traffic today.
We have all kinds of people coming through, a wide selection of distributors and manufacturers.
We come back every year for the networking and all the fun.
We keep coming back because it's the best way to find out from your suppliers the new technologies that they brought into the industry, and to also learn from other newer suppliers what their capabilities are, because it's continuously changing.
I'm looking forward to coming back next year.
We're very excited every time. Looking forward to next year.